Welcome back everyone, I'm N.R.T. and on today's video we'll be doing another unboxing video from our friends over at Fab Heavy Parts, one of our new channel sponsors, who is sponsoring everything I basically need to rebuild the engine on the Hydromat. Huge shout out to them. We previously, last week, they sent me all new connecting rods for it. Their website didn't say they had these connecting rods, but I gave them some measurements, and here we are. We got the replacement connecting rods. They're a little bit different. There's instead of just the bolt go through, there's a bolt, the bolt's on top too, instead of just a threaded hole, which I'm pretty sure it would secure it better. So we got that. That's what's in this box. Two more of them. Then today I just received the engine kit, the complete rebuild engine kit from them. Box kind of got a little beat up. Hopefully nothing's broken. But we got, this looks like the rings. We got rings. We got valve seat in. We got crush washers. What else we got? Valve seat X. Okay. What else we got? These are valve guides. What's this? Connecting rod bearing standard. Then we got this. What is this? Main bearing set. Valve NX. And of course, these are the replacement pistons. It says it's for 3AB1, so it should work. I gave him some dimensions of I was going to get some 5mm oversized bearings. And these are, I believe these are the liners or sleeves. Yes, that is what it is. Check that out. Okay. Now, I'm not too sure if this motor's already been sleeved. If it's not, then we're going to have to take it to the machine shop, which is going to put a delay in the project. But that, then over here, this is a replacement water pump for the Hydromat. Put all these pieces back in here. They're still trying to find me an alternator for this engine, but I think I might be able to get that local. Because instead of going off the Hydromat part numbers, I'm going to go off the alternator part numbers and see if I can find it that way. Because Hydromat didn't make the alternator, obviously, but when you look up Hydromax 381 alternator, sometimes you have a hard time finding the exact one you need, and that can be hard in the shop. Be hard, very frustrating. So what's next on the list to do on the Hydromac is I basically got the block stripped all the way down. I pulled the pistons and everything, but if it has liners in it already, I need to figure out a way to get those out. If not, I'm gonna have to take it to the machine shop and have them bore it out. Then I'm going to there's a couple broken bolts, so I gotta remove them. There's a corner of the bottom of the block that was cracked where the oil pan meets up. Gotta weld that back on. Then it's basically off to degrease the whole motor, and what I'm gonna use is one of our also new sponsors is Blaster, aka Gunk, engine degreaser, and we're gonna let that sit in there for a while and see how that works. We also got Super Clean. Obviously, Super Clean's been a long time channel partner, so we'll try both of them, see how it works, get that block looking good and degreased, and we'll start building a motor, guys. I'm debating this. It wasn't turboed, but I'm debating about putting a turbo on it. I think that'd be pretty cool. Turbo diesel skid steer. I think the newer Bobcats and Kubotas are turbo. I think, but yeah. So, but I'm gonna need some help from you guys to find a turbo kit if I go that route, because I've looked and I mean, if you piece by piece, that's one thing, but the complete kit like this, I haven't found anything. So, these motors were in tons of stuff, excavators, little van trucks, stuff like that, equipment, skid steers. So I don't know, but once again, I want to say huge thanks to Fab Heavy Parts for sending this stuff out. Previously, they sent out, bring you on over here. They sent out the casters for my engine hoist and my crane. Got those on there. They've been holding up great. And, yeah. So, go check out Fab Heavy Parts for all your tractor needs. They even got a bunch of tools. I'll put a link in the description to their website. Go check them out. Go tell them I sent you. And, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give me a like. Give me a comment. Even if it's just a letter, give me a comment. And I'll catch you guys on the next one.